If you've never taken the time to come over to Punta Gorda and visit Fisherman's Village, man, it's just absolutely incredible. And it's pristine. It's clean. There's no trash on the ground. The grounds are kept well. And this is how the city that I proudly work for, you know, if every guy and every woman there, you know, don't mean to sound mean, but, you know, if you're walking into work, not just my work, anywhere you work, pick up the trash, walk inside, man, have pride in what you do, have pride in where you're working, you know? Family's behind me, I'm walking ahead. Look at these things, man. There's the Charlotte lady. Look at this. Oh, golly, man. Look at that Mercury 250. Used to hang those. This is our family's, you know, history, our family's legacy. Great granddad. Our great granddad, our granddad, and dad all had charter boats, you know? Fish guys like Dwight D. Eisenhower. How you doing, young lady? Can I step around you? I see you got your job. And you do this every day?
I do.
Are you the...
I am not.
You're not, but...
I'm just an hourly employee.
Ah, don't say just and never. You're a hard worker, damn it.
Well, I'm an hourly employee of the company.
What's your first name?
My name is Susan.
Susan, do you mind being on camera? I'm videotaping for our YouTube channel.
No.
Thank you, Susan. Appreciate you.
Yep, I'm going to turn around and give my attention to
Yes, ma'am. You do that.
So please excuse my back.
Yes, ma'am. No worries. That's a gutsy woman right there, man. There's Captain. Look at the sternness up in his face, up in the wheelhouse. Look how determined he is. Focused. I mean, the dude is just focused, man. Good crew. All right, let me leave these guys. Susan, thank you. Good. She's over there looking at sightseeing cruises. Good. Hell yeah.
Watch out.
Sorry, brother, man.
All right.
Thank you. I'm sorry. One of my dream jobs. So my retirement is going to be a lot different than most people's retirements. What's up, dude? Are you a dock walker? Enjoy your life. You only get one shot. Dr. McCaffrey, go live. Dr. McCaffrey, man, I hated you for a while when I asked you what the hell was wrong with me. You said, man, it's nothing wrong with you. The other doctors, oh, it's up in your head. Screw you, it's not in my head. I knew it was wrong. University of Miami doctor told me, man, you got VCD, vocal cord dysfunction. And I know I'm gonna have to go through another damn surgery. I'm terrified, but I can't keep living this way either. So it's getting worse. Now I gotta get fixed. Lady with the cool anchor. All right, guys. So when you're looking at this thing of how vast it is, hey, Caden. What's up, buddy? It's just beautiful. So, Fisherman's Village. Come and check it out. All right, later on. So by now you're kind of in my world. And I just wanted to say, and I know the Jeep Cherokee guys. Hi guys, how are you? You're not in the video, okay? Thank you. Just want to let you know that the Jeep Cherokee guys, thank you so much. But I kind of want to introduce you to my world and what my passions are in life. The Southpaw. That means it comes from way back here, man. Bam! And you got to fight for it. If you're gonna go live. Dr. McCaffrey, Moffitt. After cancer, go live. The lady with the half jaw, go live. I literally just met a young man that bought a pair of shoes, and I said, you want to be on YouTube? They're like, no man, that's not what this is about. For one of their fellow employees that works here in this marina. Incredible. So shout out to you guys. You said you were going to subscribe, so some of you just subscribed. Thank you. But man, this is the world. You know, there's so much more if you just take a chance in life. We're selling our home, building another. You know, just gotta take the shot. Southpaw. That's a message to sell. So anyways, this place is beautiful. I've been coming here, man, since God, my 20s. This is where Dad and I used to come and, you know, visit. And there's a wreck out there still.
Is that one way over there, or is that just?
Yes, that's a wreck way out there, yes. So there and there. And there's another catamaran, and I believe that's a Gemini 105M out there. So John, if you're watching this, that looks just like no problem. And I believe that's got the scoops on the back too, brother. So anyways, be sound, brother. Be good.